The yeah, beekeeping really came on my radar. People were using bees to stimulate the immune system, right? And then I was thinking, oh, there's actually people who have, have clientele that come to their farm and purposefully get stung.
Oh yeah.
And then I was talking with, and I know you've spent a lot of time down by Ecuador and South America, but there's those stingless bees, those baby bees, tiny ones.
Right.
And those supposedly are like, kind of like Manuka, but different. They have other properties. People put them in their eyes, like eye drops. Face me. Right?
Right.
Lay on your side towards me. Bring your arm. What else is going on? So,
nothing much.
How have you been distributing that, or who have you connected with around the bees?
Well, I know beekeepers in Ecuador. I know some in Russia
Other
too.
side?
Down the south, in Nizhny Novgorod.
Okay.
Yeah. PM, way out in Siberia.
In Siberia. Yeah.
And then
Face up.
in what is that? Uzbekistan. I was
you
there.
were there.
Uzbekistan and Tajikistan, which is totally different.
You were doing like a little tour just to see what people were doing out there?
We're trying to help them move to private enterprise models.
Mm-hmm.
And
Big breath up high into the chest. How's your arms and legs feeling?
yeah, they're feeling good now.
Okay.
I have so much better. I think I'm about 90, maybe 97%.
Okay, cool. So you're about to take a month or two?
Yeah, a couple of months. Maybe it could be back through.
Look to the right. Left. You're gonna be visiting some of those beekeepers?
Right. They got sustainable, holistic sustainable bees is just one of them. Yeah.
Yeah, it's usually like one of the components to regenerative agriculture, permaculture. What else?
But they got but down there they got Africanized bees, and they kind of mean and aggressive. So
they're killing other bees.
Well, they're just when they're mating with the other bees, they keep their genetics.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And,
they dominate the gene pool.
Right.
So they kind of create a homogeneous.
But they got the positive. They good honey producers.
Oh, they are.
And they're disease resistant. A lot less so than here. But you got to have a whole suit on, and you'll get stung up even with your suit. Yeah, they not all, but they.
Where are you going this next month or two? Where are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be down in I'm gonna go to Ecuador.
Okay.
Try to make a little money.
Lift your chest. Yeah.
Okay.
Hands on your hips. Push back. Pull your elbow. Pull your elbow. Yep. Cool. Okay. All right, we're all set. Thank you. Yeah, just working with seniors, it could prevent falls from happening. It could improve just kind of that connection that is needed when you get older. You might not be out and about as much. Just seeing people that are kind of genuine, that are going to look at you in the eye and kind of have a good conversation. That's what we're providing for a lot of the seniors that we take care of here. Is they come in, they feel like they're maybe not walking straight or they can't do the things they love. We kind of support them with the chiropractic care and just lifestyle advice. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's been awesome. I came in from an auto accident with the bus. I had some lower back pain, but now I'm 95%. I'm too thrilled. Doctor Dr. Glass is the ultimate professional, and I really appreciate how he deals with your situations holistically. So not just the back, but we looked at other things, my neck and what have you. So I'm very, very pleased and happy.
My man.